Hi friends, Namaskar, good morning. Welcome to the popular weekly edition of Monday Mantra. I am Natarajan Dandapani, or simply Nat as my friends call me. I am ex-banker, author and life coach. In this video, I am going to introduce you to a new lifestyle. Yes, you heard it right. A new lifestyle that will drastically increase your self-worth and happiness. All human beings, you and me including, or pursuing our goals and ambitions in life with a lot of hopes and enthusiasm. When you have already made up your mind to do certain things in your life, following your dreams and ambitions, and when you set in motion your goals and plans, tirelessly working on them, at this point of time, I would like to add a new dimension to your approach. Yes, I urge you to join a movement called the Little More Movement or the 10% More Movement that will add a new perspective to your life. This idea encourages you to do just a little more of what you have been already doing legally, ethically, morally, and enthusiastically. And this will take your life to a higher level of fulfillment and happiness. Friends, I have always been fascinated watching the Popeye, the Sailor Man, the super duper cartoon show in TV. In one of the episodes, Popeye will be challenged by Bluto in his ability to cut the trees. Bluto will cut a lot of branches of a very big pine tree, and when his turn comes, Popeye will take a shot of spinach from a can as an energy booster, as you all know, with which he will cut more branches and more trees faster and better. All along singing a song, anything you do, I can do better. Anything you do, I can do better. Like that. And this contains a big message for all of us. The competition or challenge in our life we are facing today is not with anybody else, but with our own selves. To be a better version of ourselves than what we were yesterday. To do something better than what we did yesterday. It is not that difficult when our brain has got immense capability to achieve anything what we want in our life. And it is just a matter of training our mind. The idea of doing a little more and a little better is only in line with our inherent urge in all human beings to improve ourselves on a continual basis. This is how it works. First of all, you prepare a list of all the activities and things you are doing presently in pursuit of your ambitions and goals. Yes, it can be your personal goals, your career goals, your financial goals, your family goals, or social goals, anything. Then you identify those areas which are crucial to your growth, where you can do better and add just a little more to that. For example, when you are in the habit of walking 5 kilometers daily, walking half a kilometer more will only add to your enthusiasm and better health. Suppose you are a good reader, you love to read great books and all, in the habit of reading at least 20 pages daily from an inspirational book, you start reading 2-3 pages more, which adds to your daily quota of self-motivation. If you are saving money by putting 100 or 200 rupees daily into a savings fundi, which normally most of us are doing, just to add 10 or 20 rupees more, which you can very easily do. Suppose you are a student having a study schedule of 5 to 6 hours daily. Increase your study time by another 10% and it will see you securing better grades. Suppose you are a businessman achieving a sales turnover of 10,000 rupees daily, a small business. Take efforts to marginally increase it to 11,000 rupees. Or in case you are running a factory, increase your efficiency in handling your men, your machines and your material by 5% more and reduce the cost of operation by 5%, the cumulative effect of which will immensely improve your bottom line. If you are in the habit of making investments, my dear friends, which are very, very important these days, investments in social security schemes, provident fund, SIPs, or in safe markets, think of increasing your investment by another 10% this year. Suppose you are spending at least 2 hours of quality time with your family and your children at home. Increase it by 10% more to make the bondage of love work stronger. Assume you are making a charity donation of 10,000 rupees every year. Then increase it to 11,000 rupees this year, adding another 10% for a noble cause. So whatever you do, all good things, you just do a little more. In personal life, official career, in social circle, or doing a charity, or simply showing your love and gratitude to others, just do a little more. The idea is, just by adding the 10% more, you do not feel any extra strain at all. But the cumulative benefits you get in return are very huge. Yes, without your knowing, your efficiency grows, your finances swell, your comfort level increases, your self-esteem gets a boost, your lifestyle changes, and more than anything else, your happiness in life increases manifold. Listening to this idea of 10% more, if you feel it is stimulating your ambition, if you feel it is igniting your passion to achieve exponential growth in business or career, to become financially more independent, or to lead a better life with love, respect, and credibility, then it is more likely you will certainly adopt to this idea that will change your lifestyle. This idea is not one of economics or finance. It is just working on your own mind's pattern. Yes, your mind is everything. When you convince your mind to willingly accept and do this 10% more in everything you do, the idea gets engraved in the mind's pattern and it becomes your daily habit. And when continually practiced, it becomes your lifestyle. For joining this movement, there is no need to register or sign any papers. Simply you have to strike a chord with your own thoughts and resonate with the positive vibrations. That will make your life happier, wiser, and more successful than ever before. Yes, just 10% more in everything you do. Just to try. It will become a habit and you will enjoy it. And today's mantra is, when you stretch your mind with a new idea, it adds a new dimension to your life. I will repeat, when you stretch your mind with a new idea, it adds a new dimension to your life. Happy living. Good luck.